I tested Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0 using the exact same prompt, and the difference was obvious. One model delivered stronger cinematic visuals, the other gave me more control over the character and action. So instead of asking which AI video model is better, the real question is, which one should you use for your specific project? In this video, I'll break it down using D-Zane AI, where both models are available in one place. The reason I'm testing it this way is because most AI video creators run into the same problem. A video can look impressive at first glance, the lighting can be beautiful, the motion can feel cinematic, and the overall quality can look professional. But when you compare it to your actual prompt, you may notice something is off. Maybe the action is not accurate. Maybe the camera movement looks good, but the scene does not fully match what you asked for. And this is where the difference between video models becomes important. Some models are better when you want cinematic quality, strong lighting, and beautiful visuals. Other models are better when you need more control over the character, the movement, and the exact action in the scene. So in this video, I'm not just testing which model looks better, I'm testing which model makes more sense depending on what you're trying to create. That's why I'm using Dzine AI for this test. Dzine AI brings multiple image and video tools into one workspace. Instead of switching between different platforms for generating images, creating videos, editing, or syncing audio, everything is handled in a single dashboard. That makes it much easier to compare different models side by side. Inside Dzine, you can access multiple AI models and choose the one that fits your specific goal. So instead of asking which model is best overall, it makes more sense to ask which model is best for the task you're trying to achieve. For this test, I used the same prompt and the same creative direction for both Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0. For this illustration, I will be testing how both AI model can generate cinematic shots and hypermotion ads. To get started, I created an account on Dzine and accessed the dashboard. From there, I went into the AI video section and selected the model options, where both Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 are available. I began with Seedance 2.0 and click on reference to switch to reference mode so I could upload images to guide the AI. This helps maintain consistency, especially when working with specific characters. But before that, I need to generate my character reference for my scene. So to do this, I switch back to AI image and select Nano Banana as the image model. Then I changed the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then I pasted my prompt and generated it to get this. After this, I moved back to the AI video section and uploaded the reference image. For the prompt, I structured it by adding time frames and camera angles and background sounds. This helps reduce randomness and gives more control over how each scene plays out. I also linked the character directly in the prompt to keep things consistent. After this, I adjusted the aspect ratio and changed the resolution 720p. Then I increased the duration to 15 seconds, and this is the video I got.
Come downstairs, sweetheart. Don't go down there. I heard it too.
Next, I tested Kling 3.0, so to do this, I changed from reference to start frame and end frame since Kling doesn't support multiple references in the same way. Then I went back to the AI model to select Kling 3.0. I created a starting frame and end frame, uploaded it. Once I was done, I set the quality to 720p and set the duration to 15 seconds. After generation, this is what I got.
Come downstairs, sweetheart. Don't go down there. I heard it too.
Kling 3.0 also has an option called multiple shot, which allows you to prompt each shot at a time. After prompting, this is the result I got.
Come downstairs, sweetheart. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. I heard it too.
Now, using this same testing step for both AI model, I did an hypermotion ads using this product with the following prompt for Seedance 2.0. Then for Kling 3.0, I generate this start frame and end frame, and this were the results. Now, when you compare both outputs, the difference becomes clearer. You can now decide which was best for cinematic shot or hypermotion shot. You can leave a comment below on the AI tool that marveled you the most. Hopefully, this gives you a better understanding of how to approach both models and when to use each one.